do this. I'm videotaping it. I'm not picturing. This is gonna be a horrible video because of the running. Why are you doing this? You've already put your feet in the Atlantic. Run, Forrest, run! Okay, go! You gotta keep going. Ryan, don't go so far. Your feet will get wet.
Take pictures of my feet. Okay, they're frozen. They're gonna turn blue.